What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make money online with Google for free. Yes, part of this is free, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in this video. Now, Google Maps, everybody has access to this, so anybody can actually do this method, and it's a very good way to make a side hustle online. So I know people who are doing this to make a bit of a side hustle, or I actually know people who are actually do this online full time, and they make a full-time living doing this. And I want to jump in and show you exactly how you can actually do this yourself. It's really simple. And what I'm going to do is take you through a simple step-by-step process showing you exactly how you can make some money with this. It's not complicated. It's very simple, and it's not going to take you a long time to actually learn how to do this. And it's perfect for beginners. Now, you're going to want to stay to the end of this video because I actually have a bonus for you to show you how to make more money with this method in case you want to scale it and make some more money. So make sure you stay all the way to the end so you actually see this bonus, because you can make pretty good money with this extra bonus. Now, before we jump into this video, we do need to do the giveaway like we do in every single video. What you need to do to win access to every single one of my courses is smash the like button on this video. And then once you've done that, comment below a yes or no. Have you made Google money yet? Have you made money on Google? And then we will pick a winner in the next video to get access to every single one of my courses. So smash that like button and drop a comment below. Now, before we get started with this tutorial, I do need to do a disclaimer. I know people making over $100 a day doing this. Some of them are making $1,000 a month, $700 a month. Some of them are making more, but I'm not promising you results, and the results depend on the work that you put in. If you put in no work, you get no results, okay? So I'm not promising you any income in this video. And don't forget to subscribe so you get my videos every single week. So let's jump into this right now, and I'll show you exactly what you need to do. The first step is very simple. You're gonna wanna go and download Google Chrome to do this, okay? So go into Firefox or Safari or whatever you're using and put in Google Chrome and download Google Chrome onto your computer. Okay, the next step is we actually want to go into Google, and what we want to do is we want to type local businesses that are in our area. So like dentists, plumbers, builders, tilers, concreters, contractors, just anything, right? Write businesses that are already in your area, and just think of a local business. Now, it might take you some time to actually find a good business niche, but for example, in this one, we're going to put in builders, Las Vegas, okay? And we're going to search Builders Las Vegas. Now, what we're going to do is we scroll down here and we want to go to View All in this little tab here. When we click Build All, so we've got Builder Las Vegas, you'll actually see that there's these things on the side here. Now, if I actually go back, you'll see that 3 places show up in the top 3, okay? This is very important. This is a very important spot that we need to keep in mind. Now, I'm going to go to View All. And there's actually a few things you can do here. What we want to do is we want to help businesses get their website, their business listing here to that top 3, okay? In that top 3, somewhere in the top 3. Now, you don't need to get them in the top 3. You can get them in the top 4 or 5, but it's really important that we can get people up to here. And we can actually charge people to do this. And it's really simple to get people up that level, because a lot of people don't actually realize what they need to do to get there. So for example, if we click on this one here, BM Custom Homes, what happens is this listing shows up, okay? And they've got a few good things. So they've got their address here, but they've got no reviews, which is something we want to look for. We want to find businesses with no reviews because that can help us later on. But and they haven't added a website, which is really important as well. You want to add a website. So there's a few things that we can do to actually help this business get to the top. So first of all, I'm going to actually give you a list of what you can do to optimize these businesses. But what you want to do is you want to actually email these businesses or give them a call. I know it can be scary calling these businesses. So if you don't want to do that, email these businesses, go and find their website online. For example, I'll just open this website here so you can see what I mean. But if we open this website here, you can usually go to their contact page. All right, so it's loaded here. You can go to their contact page and you can contact these businesses. This website's really, really slow actually, but you can contact these businesses and get their email. So you can contact them here and you can say to them, hey, we can actually help you get to the top of Google. And what you can actually do is you can go like this. So you can go to here and you can actually go copy these three here, this image, and you can say, hey, you can send them this image and you can say, I've noticed you're not in the top 3. We can help you get to the top 3 and we will charge you for this, and then you send them your fees, right? Now, there's a few things you can actually do. So here's their email here. It would be better to actually email them if you can instead of doing it this way. And I'll actually leave a template in the description on what to email them, but email them and say that you can get them to the top 3 and you can get them more business. And they'll understand how important that is. Now, how do you actually get them to the top 3? So first of all, you can do something very simple, which will help get them to the top 3. I'm not saying it will get them to the top 3. There's a few things you need to do, but one of them is called Claim My Business. So for example, if we go to that one before that I was actually going to here, which is BM Custom Homes, first of all, you can go to Own This Business. And you can actually claim this business and you can manage it. Now, the thing about this is there's a lot of good things that you can do here. First of all, you can claim the business, and if it isn't already claimed by them, then that's a signal to Google that it is a legitimate business, and it will put it up in the ranks, will put it up higher. But that's not all you need to do. Now, to do Claim My Business, you can actually, there's 2 things you can do to claim the business. You can Google how to claim a business. It's a very simple to do. I don't need to show you in this tutorial. All you need to do is go to how to claim Google Business, and there are lots of tutorials on how to do it for free, okay? And there's 2 reasons why you want to do this. Number 1, if the business hasn't already been claimed and it's claimed, whether it's by you or them, it gives Google good signals to put it up. If it's already been claimed and you're going to manage it, then you can do a lot of editing to get it up as well, okay? So Google how to do that, or you can actually go to Fiverr. And I know this is a free tutorial, but if you want to, you can actually pay people like $20, $30, $20, and they can actually claim it all for you and take you through the process, okay? Now, to claim a business, you can essentially charge these companies just to do that, and it will help them get up the ranks. But there's actually a lot of other things you can do, easy things to help these businesses get up. And then once they see the traffic coming in, a lot of these people will actually keep paying you monthly for you to keep them there. So with this Vegas one, so once you go manage now and you claim the business, like I said, there's 2 reasons why you want to do that. Number 1, it's a good signal for Google. Number 2, you can manage their business and edit things. Now, the reason you want to edit things is because where these businesses rank in the top 3 depends on how optimized their business profile is. So for example, they don't have a website, so you can add a website, okay? Now, obviously you would need to be the manager of this to do this, but you can add the website. You want to also add the hours. So here's a bit of a list here of what you want to do, okay? Now, what you're doing with this is you're using these to optimize their business profile. It's not going to instantly go up, but to give Google a better signal to put them up in the ranks. Number 1, claim Google My Business. Number 2, add a business address, which these guys have actually done, so that's good. They do actually have some hours in here, but they could probably do a better job. Business hours. And reviews. You want to get them reviews. Now, to do that, you need to get legitimate reviews. So tell them to reach out to their customers, past customers, to put reviews up, or you can reach out to their past customers to put reviews up. But reviews are one of the biggest signals that will get a business up in the ranks. You want to write a complete My Business description. You can also do that once you manage the business, once you manage their profile here. And once again, to do that, all you do is go to here and claim the business, and then you can manage it. And you also want to add photos, okay? Get them to send you photos, to add photos, and try and add photos as often as you can to keep it active. Now, the next one is SEO Citations. This is very important to get the business more up in the ranks. Now, you are going to have to pay for this, but you can get up in the ranks without doing this. But what you want to do is go to fiverr.com and put in SEO Citations. And you want to purchase these things called citations. They're called local citations. Now, what these do is these help these businesses get up in the ranks, okay? And what you want to do is you want to essentially buy these services, so like literally $5. So let's say you go and say to this company, hey, I can get you up in the ranks for like $400-500, okay? You spend maybe $30 on optimizing it or claiming it or optimizing it yourself, and you spend $5 on some citations. You can make like $200-300 profit, and you can do this to an unlimited amount of businesses. You just keep going and keep going, helping them get up the top. And then when you get them up the top, you can actually charge, right, to keep them there. A monthly, they will give you a monthly fee to make sure that they stay in the top, okay? And these are called local citations, and you can purchase these, and these are kind of like backlinks. It kind of like tells the Google page, Google what the page is about and stuff, and it puts it up in the ranks, okay? So these guys will do everything for you. All they need is the business name, address, phone number, business email, website, business description, category, logo, keywords. Now you can actually get all of this off the business owner. So that's not very hard to get, right? And then you go and simply buy these citations, okay? So what you're doing, and essentially, here's some stuff on how to optimize it. So what you're doing is you're finding businesses that are in the low ranks, and you're going to be contacting them and explaining to them that you can get them up, and explain to them that they're not in the top 3 here, or they're not in the top 4, not in the top 5, and it's important to get them there so they can actually get more traffic. And you're going to say, I can get you there. These are my fees, and this is what I can do. And all you need to do is do Google Claim My Business, and then optimize the listings to slowly get them up in the ranks. Now, there's another thing you can actually do to make more money from this. I talked about this bonus before, is most of these companies, right? I don't know why, but for some reason, most local businesses have really bad looking websites, okay? So I'm just going to click on this one here. I've never clicked on this before. I don't know if it's a bad looking website. All right, guys, I actually had a problem with a lot of these websites, and it was a good problem. A lot of these websites are very, very slow. So there's a few things you can do here to make more money from these companies. Now, number one is you can actually go to these websites and you can find old, outdated websites, and you can offer to make them a better website, or essentially modernize their website. So for example, this is a modern website, right? So we could say to this company here, hey, we can do you a better website, and you can charge them quite a bit of money. Then you can go to fiverr.com and you can pay someone to create a better website for you. It's called drop servicing. So you're using a middleman. This is a really great way to make some extra money from this method. However, I also noticed that a lot of these websites are terribly slow. They are really, really slow. It took me a long time to try and find a website that loaded quickly. So I could go to Fiverr and I could put in something like website speed, and these guys will do that for me. They will fix the website speed. So I could go and say, hey, I can fix your website speed for $100 or $50, and I can pay this guy $10 to speed it up for me. This is really important because these businesses are struggling right now. A lot of them don't know how online works. They need business, and you can help them get more business by helping them get higher in the ranks by optimizing their business pages, and by helping them optimize their websites so they also get higher in the ranks and have a cleaner website. It functions better, it loads faster, so customers are not going to actually leave. I had a really bad time on a lot of these websites that I could fix for money. All right, guys, so that's how you can go and make some money online right now with Google, a super simple method. If you want some more ways to make money online, I will leave some videos up on the screen that will take you through step by step on how to make money online with affiliate marketing. If you have any questions, let me know below. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, tap that notification bell. I'll see you on one of the videos on the right.